Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change background color in Canva. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to Canva. After opening your Canva and navigating to your project, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Now in order to change the background color, you'll have to first of all click on the background. Now you will see this background color button. Click on this and it will show up this menu at the left where you can easily choose background color. Now, I will scroll down and it will show up a section that says photo colors. That means these are the colors that are available in photos. You can choose any one of these colors to make it the background. Now you also get the option for solid colors like black, white, pink, blue, green, or any of the colors that is available. Now, under gradients, you can make your background a color gradient. For example, these are the kind of gradients that are available for your background. I can choose any of the gradients that will fit for my picture and simply leave it, and that will change my background color. So that is the simple way through which you can change the background color in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.